Hello, good afternoon, or good day wherever you're watching from. I am Adigun Orodoa and the tutor for Deaf Track for this first cohort. This video is for those who couldn't attend yesterday's class or one way or the other didn't get what was learned yesterday. So I am here to show you once again. So we talked about different programming language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We talked about front end, back end, GitHub, and lots more. So this particular video is for HTML, where I talked more on the tags, how to save your HTML file, and the likes. So I will be starting, not to waste our time. After opening the folder in your VS Code, if you don't get that, I will make a video on it and I will send to you. So you come over here, which you can see I've created a folder named Dev Track. So we want to, depending on what you want to do, but here we would like to open a new folder and name it what? Week 1. Under this week 1, you will click on it. Not here. If you click on here, you're creating a new file. Let's try that. See, I'm creating a new file outside the folder. So on whichever folder you will need to create your file inside, you will click on it. You can then come to this icon here. Are you seeing? When you hover on it, it is called new file. This one is new folder. Then you click on it. So you name this file whatever you want it to be. Here we'll name it lesson 1. So you don't just click enter. Lesson 1 dot. This dot is now what? This dot, you are trying to, if you put .html, you are creating an HTML file. So now this dot, you are trying to, any tag, anything you put after the dot, you are telling VS Code or the editor you want to write inside you want to write your code on that it's an HTML file. Let's try CSS dot CSS. We can see it changes to CSS. So now if we should save this file, we can only write CSS code inside. So if we put .js, I see it has moved to JS, meaning we can only write JavaScript code inside here. Do you get? You can't write CSS code in this file once you save it. So you can put JSX. These are for other language. This is React. Do you get? So now we are not going to touch React. We are just limiting ourselves to HTML and CSS for the main time. So we are writing HTML. So write .html and you click enter. So now here is your HTML file. The HTML file has been created. You can write HTML code there. So before you start, you don't just begin to write whatever you want to write. Let's say hello world. You don't just start like that. No, it won't work. So you need to start by writing DOCTYPE HTML here. But writing all this is too long. I mean, it's just too long. There's a whole long list. But instead of doing that, just Control A and delete. You can just press Shift and your number 1. Then it brings this exclamation mark and just click enter. You see all these DOCTYPE, HTML, head, body, and the likes. It automatically writes it for you. So this DOCTYPE is telling you, DOCTYPE is that you're telling this file that it is an HTML you want to write. Then this HTML language is English. Then all these are just we'll talk more about all these when we are in CSS class. These are head. These are HTML tags. This head, this metal, this body you see here, and this HTML. So now note carefully. Every code you'll be writing in your HTML file, every file you'll be writing your HTML must always be inside these HTML tags. There's something we call open tags and closing tags. This slash here, this / here is called, anywhere you see this / in front of any of these things like this tag means it's a closing tag. Anyone that doesn't have it is an opening tag. So here right now, this HTML, let me close it. Every code you'll be writing, every piece of line you'll be writing must always be within this HTML, else it will not show. If you put it, it will never show. I will try that during the course of this video. So we have different tags in HTML. We have the paragraph tags. These are tags where you write your code inside, where you write whatever you want to write, or you do whatever you want to do. And each tag, there are numerous tags. Each tag has different function. This paragraph tag, p tag, is for paragraph. If you want to start a new paragraph in a code, let's start by saying hello world. Hello world. This is a paragraph tag. We have the h1 tag. That's the header 1 tag. My name is Alice. There's another tag, h2 tag. This is another tag. We have my name is Addis. I am the tutor for this class. This is h2 tag. I will explain some of these tags for you during the course of this video, and it is expected of you to go back and make research on more tags and be able to use them accordingly. We have the image tag. The image tag doesn't have a closing tag because there's no way you want to write something here. Do you get? Just link it. You will get to learn this more in the video. Then there's a div tag, which is like a default tag. I mean, your div tag can be anything. This is my first website. This is a default tag. It's more of like a default tag. So there are numerous tags here. So if you want to view your code in your browser, which is Chrome, you just right click, come over here, right click, and then click on this copy part, come to your and see everything we've written in our code shows here. That hello world, my name is Addis, I am the tutor for this class, and this is my first website. Everything we've written shows right here. That is the beauty of it. And as I explained yesterday, that HTML is the skeleton of every programming language. As HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the styling. So you see someone as a beautiful girl or an handsome boy, it is CSS that makes, I use the human body as an example. It's the CSS that makes us beautiful. Your hair is red, your hair is green. Do you get your complexion? You're light in complexion, you're dark in complexion. It is CSS work. So if you go to a site now and you see the site is very beautiful, very catchy, very attractive, that's the work of CSS. But HTML is the structure of the code. It is the skeleton of the code. Yes, you see the name of the company. Let's say DevTrack now. That DevTrack, it is HTML. But if that DevTrack is color pink or color blue, it is CSS that makes that text color. Exactly. So now, this is just basically on what we talked yesterday. My name is Addis, I am the tutor for this class, and this is my first website. So this is just the class, what we talked about yesterday. So as we've seen that wherever we type here, we always show on our Chrome as long as we do it well. So I would like to employ us, I would like to advise us all to go back and look for the assignment for this is actually one, to create an about you using tags, the paragraph tags, and about 2 or 3 paragraphs, and also go online, check for more tags and use them appropriately. When you come to the, let's say you have the tr tag, the ul tag, the td tags, the section, the main, the footer, all these tags, there are numerous tags. Go online, check for more tags and use them accordingly in your assignment and submit. So this will be the end of this video. Thank you, and once again, I am Adigun Oroluwa, the tutor of DevTrack. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.